Okay. After 2 years, I'm finally getting around to fixing my shift indicator. You can see it's in park, but it's almost setting it reverse. So what you gotta do is you have to remove this panel, knee panel. You have to take a screw out up here, one down on that corner, one for the hood, and then pull that off, and one for the brake, and pull that off. Also, you can get to this bracket that holds the turn wheel adjuster to align your shift lever indicator. I'm going to pause this while I take that knee pad or knee cover off, and then I'll show you where this bracket mounts. Okay, I did find there's another screw back here that holds the brake on, one here that holds the hood release. Then you've got this one and that one to do. Then you have to pop the steering wheel cover or steering column cover, and there's another one up here. So it should come out as soon as I pull these two out, and then I'll show you where that adjuster is located. Okay, I got the cover off. They used 2 8mm screws and a handful of 7s. That was a chore. Let me slide this seat back, give me more room. Alright, let's see. And this adjuster bracket should be a 7mm, if I remember right. It's where are you? There it is. It's that white bracket right there. And you can see it's broke. So, and this goes up, connects to the shifter cable up there, comes down through this cable here and goes up to the shift indicator. And I think that's a 7mm. Let me get it out and go from there. Bring you back when I got it out. Okay, I was mistaken. It's a 5mm, but I don't have a 5, so I was able to use a 3/16 to get it out. As you can see, there's still a piece left on there. So what I gotta do is, sorry, I'm breathing hard. I was laying on my back and curved in there. You gotta unscrew this, pull it off, pull this off. Okay. Sorry, I don't have anything to hold the phone up. We'll try it that way. Oops. Okay. Now, you take your new piece. Let's see. Which way is it? That goes that way, I believe. Yeah. Feed that wire. You gotta put your nut inside it. Ooh, that's stiff. There we go. Put the nut in there. Feed your wire through. Come on. Make sure it's straight. Since it is plastic, you don't want to strip it real easy. Come on. It's hard to tell if it's actually started. Nope. Can feel it trying to start. First time doing this. Doesn't want to go. Let's see if I pull this cable through more. Should I grab? There we go. I got my helper in the back seat. She wanted to be out here with me. Alright, it started. There we go. You can see it starting to come through. There we go. Alright, let me go get some needle nose so I can grab the wire and hold it, pull it up there on the indicator, okay? I'll be right back. Okay. My mistake, it's not a 3/16, it's a 7/32 bolt or socket that'll fit in place of a 5mm. Okay. Let me see if I can crawl under here again. Get this put back together. Where is it? Where are you? There. I think it went that way. Or was it this way? Ouch. Okay, sun beaming in my eyes. Nope. I think I got the thing on backwards. Ouch. Ow. Come on, get out. I don't know what that was. It just fell. Yeah, I got it on backwards. Anyways, this white box is the ignition switch itself. And this relay that I keep smacking is what they put in at the dealer. Let me do it this way. For the anti-theft, and there it goes. Yeah, I had it backwards. The anti-theft device and the tracking device. So if you don't make a payment, they know where to go get the vehicle from. All right, how am I gonna do that? There we go. Piece of cake. It's like anything plastic with a car. As the car gets old, the plastic gets brittle. Ouch. Where'd that thing go? Okay, there's the nut. This is killer on the back. Feed that up in there. Put the nut up there. Come on. Get through there. All right. Phew. See if I have better luck doing it up there. Just nowhere to get your both hands, especially with this knee bar in here. Ow. Hey, that actually is going a lot better than it was before. Nice. Sometimes things work out good. And I forgot how many hour job this is. My son was telling me, according to the books. Uh-oh, what happened? Got stiff all of a sudden. All right. Now, needle nose, where did I put them? Playing a snake moving around up here. All right, where's my needle nose? Did you guys see him? Oh, boy. Oh, under my shoulder. Okay. If you're not a contortionist, don't attempt this. Come on. Ouch. Darn it. Let me try it that way. Run the needle nose through the eye. Okay, light quit flashing on that dang placard. Well, I can get it up there, but I can't get it in the hole. I know that doesn't sound good, but oh, come on. Oh. Come on, get in there. All right. Phew. Okay. That's connected. Now, let me crawl out. Oh, cramp. All right. So, I'm going to get you up here. Now, where to go? As you can see, now I'm way far the other way. So, I have to crank it. And I'll get it lined up about the center of the P, which looks good right there. Sorry, the truck's all dusty being in the desert. Okay, keys. What did I do with my keys? They fell down between the seats. All right. So what you do next is you just, without starting the vehicle, you just go to each one. Stay focused, camera. And it actually needs to come on. Let's get adjusted just a tiny bit more. If I can feel it again. Whoop. Dang it. Horn sensitive. Where are you? Huh. For some reason, in second gear, well, I'm gonna call that good. Because what's, oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. That's it. New bracket installed. And everything's adjusted, so. Anyways, that's just my quick update.